Welcome everybody, it's your boy Ismail here. On today's news, we're going to be discussing stimulus check. Here's the ROI on $1,200 investment on top crypto asset. There's even a Twitter account what your $1,200 would have been worth right now on Twitter. Also on today's crypto tidbits, Bitcoin rolled past $10,000, having days away Ethereum 2.0 nears. Also on today's episode, blockchain jobs are the highest paying tech roles in the UK. A new study revealed that the blockchain offer the best salaries in the UK technology industry. Should I move to UK? On our next scoop, price analyst 5/8, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Silver, Litecoin, Binance, EOS, XTZ, XML. After Bitcoin rally, several major cryptocurrency are attempting to resume their up move. We're also going to be looking at here's why altcoin bouncing as Bitcoin retract from $10,000 in bullish. Bitcoin price is struggling to crack $10,000, while other cryptocurrency are attempting to catch up during the weekend low. Also on today's episode, we're going to be looking at the crypto price and where are they likely to go, who's in the red, who's in the green, who's in the pink. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading at $9,612. Also, if you've been affected by this pandemic and wanted to start your home business, click on the link below and to discover how to earn Ethereum daily, fuel money directly to your Ethereum wallet with the simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract. The link should be in the description below. Welcome to today's episode. As you can see on the graph, Bitcoin is trading at $9,676 and it's actually dominant 67% of the market. Ethereum is trading at $211. XRP is trading at 21 cents per coin. Litecoin is trading at $47 per coin. XTZ is trading at $2.86. And Binance is trading at $17. EOS is trading at $2.77. And Chainlink is trading at $4.10. On our first scoop, to soften the critical blow dealt by the coronavirus to the United States economy, the government issued stimulus check on the last month. And according to data, much of these stimulus check made their way into Bitcoin and other crypto assets. The boost in economy activity and spare cash may be partly responsible for the recent bullish action. In addition to Bitcoin halving, restoring interest to the space. Here's what a $1,200 investment made with the stimulus check could have result for the ROI across the top crypto asset. On the Twitter page, $1,200 stimulus check is now worth. You can track how much ROI your money would have been making. As you can see, the Africans guy are carrying the dollar to the grave. Your stimulus check right now would have been worth $1,800. Just for investing your $1,200, you would have made a $600 profit as of right now. Market treat local high and even all-time high across the stock market at the start of the year into February 2020. But that's about when the world truly learned of the impact of the coronavirus will have soon. Fear spread across the crypto market, causing a historic sellout, not to refer to as a Black Thursday. Bitcoin crashed by 60%, and the stock market set a record of the worst quarterly closer ever recorded in the days following. The only positive thing to come out of the pandemic, depending on your perspective, was the stimulus check. Stimulus check relief package approved by the Congress and the president started hitting bank accounts starting on Saturday, April 11th. According to the IRS, as soon as this fund start hitting account, those that didn't need to rely on it, cover bills, or replace lost income suddenly found themselves with spare cash. The spare cash made its way into Bitcoin, as was pointed out by the spike in BTC by orders in the amount of $1,200. The highest stimulus check awarded depending on the income level. The boost to the first ever crypto asset could be partly responsible for the recent push to $10,000 that occurred this week. Those who invested their $1,200 into Bitcoin would now have $1,740 in US equivalent. Investing elsewhere in the crypto market would have provided similar result. Next in the line is Ethereum, up by 34%. This would take your $1,200 stimulus check value and turn it into $1,608. The lagging third-ranked crypto XRP is up 17%, turning that $1,200 into $1,404. Chainlink has set a similar gain on ROI on this initial $1,200 investments. And Tatos in all the altcoin, Rockstar is up 40%, taking that investment as high as $1,600 $180. On our next news, another week, another round of crypto tip bite. That Coin has been one of the best performing assets in financial market over the past week, managing to rally as high as $10,100, a price around 25% higher than 2 weeks ago. Altcoin interestingly have underperformed the market leader, with Ethereum and XRP both flatlining over the past week. Crypto strength this week come as the stock market has started to stagnate in the 2,800 2,900 point range. The SRP and Dow Jones have been stalling as the economy cut down remains dismal, with a total of 3 million Americans filing for unemployment over the past weeks. Whatever the case, analysts are still bullish on Bitcoin. Referring to the chart below, Rob Paul, CEO of the Real Vision and the former Goldman Sachs, said that Bitcoin moved yesterday to past $10,000 was a key technical break. This means that the probability of vastly higher price has risen dramatically. Ethereum 2.0 still on its way, developing confirmed. Ben of Tuku on Ethereum 2.0 client operator was reportedly decrypted to have said that Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is still on track for 2020 launch. Speaking at the Ethereum Summit, which were virtual due to COVID-19, Ben said that he is 80 to 90% confident it will go live by the third quarter. The upgrade will implement proof of stake consensus mechanism, which means Ethereum will slowly be phasing out of the mining system that blockchain Lite and Bitcoin and Litecoin utilize. Bitcoin halving is 3 days away, one of the most awaited crypto event ever. The Bitcoin halving of 2020 is now just 3 days away. According to the blockchain data estimator, analysis are divided over what this will mean for the cryptocurrency market, but the majority believe it is long-term bullish. Also on today's news, digital lender Capital on Tap released figure that reveal blockchain-related job offer the highest paying salary among all distributive technology business in the UK. According to the UK-based firm, blockchain has an average annual salary of GBP $70,000, around $93,041 USD. They also showed that the industry provides 544 permanent jobs throughout the country. The study highlighted that this disruptive technology is becoming an emerging force that is altering to all industries, from virtual reality to 3D printing. The United States still lead across the world. The report highlighted that the United States take the crown with the highest number of business across all major disruptive technology, followed by India and the UK with the second and third place respectively. According to Capital on Top, the internet of the augmented reality and advancement in online learning have also changed the way schools engage with their current student body. However, the educator sector is still placed on a position among the segment in the UK. Blockchain salary surge in Canada, drop in China. The study contract with the report published by Cointelegraph in March, which showed that blockchain salary in China plummeted 37% in 2019. However, the Canadian Digital Chamber of Commerce revealed in 2019 that wage in blockchain industry are among the highest in the country. On our next story, billionaire hedge fund manager Ron Paul Jones had added Bitcoin to his portfolio. In a letter to his recent client, Jones said that the top-ranked cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap was likely to play a similar role in the one that was played by gold in 1970. Jones added that Bitcoin was the fastest horse, hence he was placing a bet on it. This move could attract other hedge fund managers to cryptocurrency as they look to hedge their portfolio against the incessant money printing by the Federal Reserve. Bitcoin recent rally of above $10,000 is a major sentiment booster. The dominance of the largest cryptocurrency has rallied from under 61,000 in the mid-February to over 68%. This showed that the trader interested has shifted from altcoin back to Bitcoin just before the halving. Bitcoin surged on May 7 and broke above $9,456 resistance. The momentum carried the price above $10,000, which is a huge sentiment booster. Though the bears are defending the $10,000 level, they have not been able to sink the price below the previous resistance turn support of $9,456. Ethereum and USD. Ethereum bounced off 20 days exponential moving average $197. On May 7, it surged above the downtrend line. This is a positive sign as it showed aggressive buying at support levels. If the bull can sustain the price above the downtrend line, a rally to the resistance of ascending channel is likely. XRP and USD. XRP has been trading between 20 cents and 22 cents for the past 4 days. This shows a balance between buyers and sellers. However, this tight range trading is unlikely to continue for long. Bitcoin Cash and US Bitcoin Cash dropped to an intraday low of $226.90, which triggered a stop loss on a long position suggested in the previous analysis. However, the bears could not capitalize on the break and drag altcoin lower. Bitcoin Silver again bounced just below the 20-day EMA 201 on May 7. This is the positive sign that it showed that the bull are defending this support. Litecoin bounced off of the $43 support on May 7 and climbed back above the 20 midday EMA. This is a positive sign that it showed that demand at lower levels. The bull will try to push the price above the downtrend line. Binance Coin bounced off 20 midday EMA from $16 on May 7, which suggested that the bull are defending this support. However, the bull are facing stiff resistance at the downtrend line. EOS closed below the uptrend line on May 6, which was a negative sign. However, the bull purchased the dip close to the 50-day SMA of $2.53 on May 7 and pushed the altcoin back above the uptrend line. XTZ has failed to break above the $2.84 resistance for the past few days. This suggests that the bears are aggressively defending this resistance. On the downside, the bulls are attempting to keep the altcoin above $2.55. Stellar Lumen bounced off the uptrend line on May 7, which suggests that buying on the dip. Currently, the bulls are attempting to sustain the price above the overhead resistance of 7 cents. And you know we saved the best for last. The price of Bitcoin, the top ranking cryptocurrency by the market capitalization, hit the psychological barrier of $10,000, but immediately rejected. Meanwhile, the sentiment is shifting from fear toward the greed as the fear and greed index is now above 50 for the first time in 3 months. However, altcoin has been showing weakness across the board. Investors are selling their altcoin to catch the Bitcoin trend, with the halving now less than 3 days away. Bitcoin is showing strength as the halving is approaching, with the high only increasing day by day. FOMO, fear of missing out, is increasing as well, which make people eager to step into Bitcoin and the price to rally heavily. However, is such a rally sustainable, or will this be another case of buy the rumor and sell the news? Based on the previous halving of Litecoin, this is entirely possible. People get intrigued by the hype around the event as they expect a short-term bullish outcome to occur on the market, and they start to buy into Bitcoin. Where we can see that in general, these movements can be spotted in altcoin markets. Usually when Bitcoin see a big rally, people FOMO into Bitcoin. One such example is Ethereum. While the USD value of Ethereum is remaining relative stable, as the price has been hovering between $197 and $215 in the past 2 weeks. Bitcoin pair is getting absolutely hammered. But why? Is it because people are selling their altcoin to catch up to the Bitcoin? Ethereum has seen a sell-off of 20% in the Bitcoin pair in the recent week, while Chainlink and Tezos has seen a 30% sell-out in the past 10 days. Indeed, all sell-out has been seen in the Bitcoin pair, while the USD pair have remained relatively stable. Interestingly, previous bull market moves have similar action. For example, Bitcoin peak price was during the December 2017 with a high of $19,700. This was when there were a huge sell-off into Bitcoin pairs of altcoin. However, just around this time, the altcoin started to bounce heavily and showing strength, resulting in the biggest alt season the market has ever seen. The price of Ethereum rallied toward $1,300 to $1,400 in the month after that. A similar structure is also forming right now. The sell-off of altcoin resulting in low price, enticing investors to jump back into Bitcoin. This is why today, when the price of Bitcoin retract a few $100s, many altcoin bounce, such as Chainlink. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching. That is all for today. Peace. Have a great day.